What's up, YouTube? It's your boy King Solo HD coming at you with yet another video. And if you are subscribed to this channel, you already know that we talk about everything from red pill knowledge, life, finances, and especially cars. Today is a beautiful day outside. The car does need a bath, but we're gonna take another trip about 40 minutes out and we're gonna go check out some cars. Hopefully it's a good day. There's supposed to be no rain or anything like that. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any content that I post in the future. All right, guys, let's dive in.
I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control.
Hopefully the weather holds up and it doesn't rain at all, and we're almost there. See you on the other side. This is just, you know how hard these would be to take care of?
Oh, this guy right here.
I saw you twice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were in
Walmart?
Nah, like I saw you driving.
Oh yeah. I saw you once.
I went to meet up with Jose at the movie theater, and I'm like, oh, I wonder where you going. I was like, is he coming to here? Like, are your lights stock? Oh, your lights stock. Do you got an exhaust note?
So, everything is custom except for the exhaust, the muffler in the back. 3-inch all the way back, and then right to the back, the muffler, it's a 2-inch.
Oh, I didn't see your brakes, bro. You painted them? Yes.
Oh yeah.
You painted that? Yeah. Took them off, sprayed them?
The company I'm tuned with, I'm trying to get them to. I'm trying to get them to get me to run the whole detail on the side.
Yo.
Wild and the reckless.
Right. Yeah. Who's making noise?
I've had it. You don't want to smoke with it.
Yo, is that you?
Yeah.
That's you? That's your exhaust?
Yeah, I deleted both resonators.
Yo, run that back. Run it back. That was yours?
It's not brand new.
Yeah, I think you got that.
A lot of stuff.
Oh, did I get that? Ah, yeah. Where is it?
And then for kicks too, I got this right here too. What is it?
Bruh. Oh, you a major fan.
Because I met him in person before,
you did?
and he was chill as shit. He bought me a fuck ton of clothes when I didn't even ask him to, and he gave me his autograph, so I've been a huge fan of him.
Nice, bro.
Who cares about
I'll
his
tag him.
fans, bro?
I'll tag him on Instagram and see what happens. What if that makes me go viral? Like,
The whole thing.
what's that?
This is the cap or just the whole thing?
No, it's just a cover.
Bro, this is sick right here. This shit?
Thank you.
This one, the same shit.
Bruh.
Funny something. But I got this coming in.
Oh, now you want to show off, huh? We should be starting these meets at 5, boys. We should be starting at 5 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
Like, you get out of work, come here, bang, 5 o'clock.
Weekends is good for me. We can
Well,
do
'cause
any
then
time during the weekend.
My car, I can go
stay
straight.
close on them, and then till I hit the corner, then I'll coast in and then just gas out.
Gas out,
Gas
yeah.
out, yo.
See, I gotta coast in like at 80
Like 80, and then
or
Yeah,
70,
then
and then let it
Get
then
around
hit
it and then hit it.
Because if I hit it, oh my god.
You're gonna be like,
on the highway. That's
Because they not feeling their car.
straight.
You gotta be able to feel that.
you gotta fill your car. That's the one thing I be telling you. You gotta fill your car.
Keep your
bro.
eyes open, feel
Fill your car.
They
Drive
might
your
think
car
like,
in.
oh,
You
it's
know
because you
what I
have a
mean?
fast car. Like, nah, you gotta
Yeah,
be
you
able
gotta
to
know how to drive that shit, bro.
You can't drive it.
Don't let the car drive you. You gotta drive the car, bro.
Yeah, I saw you last night, bro. You were on the phone, like running around, like.
You were holding the fort down over there.
One eternity later.
That sounds good. Yeah, that sounds good.
babies and girls going crazy. I don't have babies, we do it at night. You know we be fucking, you know we be thugging. You duck the floor, then we start a fight. You know we be fucking, you know we be thugging. You duck the floor, then we start a fight.